The API Gravity Interactive Calculator solves a fundamental problem in petroleum engineering and oil analysis, converting between different density measurements and applying temperature corrections to ensure accurate readings at standard conditions. Let's explore the calculation modes available. The calculator offers 6 different modes: calculate API gravity from specific gravity, calculate specific gravity from API gravity, calculate density from API gravity, calculate API gravity from density, apply temperature correction to API gravity, and calculate volume correction factor. For our demonstration, we'll select Calculate API Gravity from Specific Gravity. Now for a practical example. Let's say we've measured a crude oil sample with a specific gravity of 0.8765 at 60 degrees Fahrenheit. In the specific gravity at 60 degrees Fahrenheit field, I'll enter 0.8765. After clicking Calculate, the results show an API gravity of 30.45 degrees API. The calculator also provides the density as 876.5 kilograms per cubic meter and classifies this as medium crude oil. Let's try the temperature correction mode. Switch to Apply Temperature Correction to API Gravity. Enter 32.5 in the API gravity at Measurement Temp field, 85.0 for measurement temperature, and keep 60.0 for reference temperature. The calculator returns a corrected API at 60 degrees Fahrenheit of 30.82 degrees API with a temperature correction of -1.68 degrees. These outputs tell you the oil's classification for trading purposes, its actual density for storage calculations, and the corrected API gravity needed for custody transfer documentation. A critical insight: always verify your reference temperature is 60 degrees Fahrenheit for API gravity calculations, as using 15 degrees Celsius will produce incorrect results. Find the link in the description below.